Hello everyone, this is Ayushmann. I am a full stack web developer. This is my first YouTube channel for programming. In this channel, we will learn to all programming language like JavaScript, HTML, JQuery, PHP, Python, and also we will make project in this language. And every video's ends, we will provide full source code in description. So today so today I will show you how to make a simple to-do task application using JavaScript. Like hello, add, website developer, add, and also we make delete button and edit button. PHP. Let's start it. Open Notepad editor. Uh, First, we will create important files like index.html, style.css, and app.js. Then we'll write some basic code. Set the title. And give the bootstrap link also. Then now we will link our JavaScript file to HTML page. App.js. First, we want my task heading and the date span. First, we want a heading and a date. So, write the JavaScript code, create an arrow function, date, create a date object, variable d is equal to new date, create the tag where we show the date and heading, section, containers, row, column medium 12, div, class header, h1, my task, span, class date, access the date class for show date in front end. Access date class using DOM document.query selector date dot inner HTML equal d variable and call the function. Okay, So we have done our first block. Then we will create an input field and an add button. So write some code in index HTML page. Div.column medium 12. Div class trigger. Input type text, give id input, placeholder, type your task, and a bootstrap class form control. And a button anchor tag, bootstrap class for button success, an additional class add. Add. Okay. Then now so what we want, whenever the click add button, then our input text is stored. We will write some JavaScript code for store data by input field. First, access the button. First, access the add button. Document variable add document dot query selector add dot, give a event listener, click, create event function, and check my function hello. Okay, the function properly work. Then now we'll access input field. Access by DOM, create variable input is equal to document dot get element by id input dot value. Let me check my input dot value is properly worked. Alert input okay. This work. First, we will create a blank array. Why? Because whenever we click in add button, so input data will store in array. After store data in array, we will show data in front end. Okay, write code. We will use push method for adding values in array. Array dot push input dot value. Erase value here and console dot log array. Let me check. Okay. So my input value is properly stored in array. Next, we will access the main data class where we show the all data. Actually, we want to access the one by one value per click. So in this case, we will use an array. Next, we will access the main data class where we show the all data. Create some code in HTML page. Div dot column medium 12 div dot main data okay. Actually, we want to access the one by one value per click. So in this case, we will to use loop in array. For variable I in array, console.log array I. Okay, it's worked properly. Access the main data class by using DOM document dot query selector main data class dot inner HTML assign operator and use acute. Create div block single task block class block using dollar for access array value array I. Let me check. Okay, it worked properly. Now we will create a delete button here. span class button danger and delete. Okay, let me check now. Okay, my delete button is okay. So now write some code for delete button. Access the delete button by using DOM. Further verify tell document dot get element by class name tell. Access all delete button by using loop for variable I in tell and give the each tell button add on click event in each delete buttons for delete the data. So tell I dot add event listener click function this dot parent element dot style dot display is equal to none. Let me check. Okay, so this keyword is referred to current value, so current block will be blocked. The delete button's parent element is a single task block. It will be delete. Then write the code for edit button. Variable task for access the task block. Document dot get element by class name. Access all blocks classes. Variable I in block task. Then add event listener all block classes. Add event listener. Click function this dot content editable is equal to true. Let me check. True is not defined. Okay, this dot content editable if equal to true. Okay. Okay. So our work is complete. Our code is fully complete. Now we will add some CSS. Okay. Style. Here is display flags. Width 21%. Margin 0 auto. Position absolute. Bottom to 0. Position fixed. Bottom to 0. TPX. Box adding border box. Enter. Okay. Then now, oh, we will to link our CSS file to HTML page. Link style.css. Okay. Then now our blocks. Main data. Single task item. Block. Display flags. Padding 10 px. And width 20% and box shadow 0 pixels, 10 pixels, 60 pixels, 30 pixels, RGB 234 234 14%. Okay. matching bottom 10 pixel, 15 pixel, border radius 5 pixels, position relative